How to fix high ping on Windows 11 or 10 on your PC. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix high ping on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, right click on the Start menu, select Run option. Now type in Regedit and click OK button. Click Yes and then you have to expand this window. After that, here you will see different kinds of options. Simply in the Registry Editor, we will create a backup before making any changes. For that, go to File at top left corner and then click on Export. Then here you have to save your registry backup. Once you do that, you have to close this window. And the second step that you need to follow is simply open Drawn again. For that, you can easily click the shortcut keys, that is window key and R. Here, let's delete this and you have to type in ncpa.cpl. After you type in it, click OK button and again a new Windows opens. Here you need to simply choose your Wi-Fi and then right click on it. After that, you have to select properties from that drop down menu box. And under this connections uses, you have to simply scroll down and then you have to select properties. So once you click here, you have to select Internet Protocol version 4 under this connection uses and then click the property option. Scroll down and select use the following DNS server address. So for the preferred DNS server and alternate DNS server, simply you have to type in the following DNS server addresses, that is for preferred type in 8.8.8. And for the alternate one you have to type in 8.8.4.4. And once you type in it, click OK button and then close. Once you follow this step, what you need to do is open Device Manager by clicking the Start menu. So here you will find Device Manager. Once it open, expand this. And here you have to select the network adapters. Simply you have to right click on it and then expand this. And then here you have to select your Wi-Fi. If you don't find, no worries. But if you find, simply you have to open that. And then you have to go to the Advanced tab once the new tab appears. And you have to adjust the settings like the channel width for 2.4 gigahertz you have to set to auto. For a channel width for 5 gigahertz you have to set to auto. And for fat channel intolerant you have to set to disable. Once you follow this all the steps, you have to click OK and restart your computer. Once you restart, you simply need to test your ping in your games. And once you do that, your high ping will be resolved. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.